Next panelist, Gayathri Usman, associated with the community radio project, the journey of the science in everyday life, using radio as a critical means to take the education to the entire community. CR Connect FM 107.8 is a community radio station supported by SM Cycle Foundation to expand the education initiative to over 300 villages in Rajasthan and Haryana, broadcasting many of the stories in Hindi. As we all know, storytelling is one of the most effective means to get the new concepts to vast learner population. Through this expansion, science education has moved beyond the classrooms into family spaces. Parents, siblings, and children sit together. They listen to the science concepts woven into engaging narratives. The familiar voices of the locals has made these stories even more relatable. Not just a subject to the student, but a conversation to be had. The impact has been tremendous. At Government Varishta Upadhyay Sanskrit College in Nagaon, Alwar, Rajasthan, the students who have listened to the program have been encouraged to express their understanding of science through words and art. Seeing so many young girls confidently engage with science has been deeply rewarding. With that, I would like to invite Gayathri ji to share their perspective about the power of radio to take knowledge of science to the vast community. Gayathri ji, please.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much for the opportunity. And I'm here wishing everyone happy Women's Day. And it's an honor to be here. The thing is, first, when we started to produce this audio, we had already created few audio books, which actually connected me and Saisudha. Saisudha was the author of the Andrada Valvil Arvial, which the everyday science and life. When we wanted to, it all started with a conversation, small discussion. And then we figured out, okay, we can do such kind of a radio drama series for science. And then Saisudha started to write the stories for it. Drama for 5 minutes duration, and then we translated that into Tamil and then scripted accordingly, because that will be completely in English and full of science words and that experiments and stuffs. Though we know about boiling point, though we would have studied about germination, or though we'd have studied about that pinhole camera, after a certain age, after we left everything behind and moved on, we started to forget it. And then only we realized actually we have forgotten everything. And then actually this episode really helped us a lot in recalling and also in teaching others. The best part was there were 24 episodes. Out of the 24 episodes, first 5 or 6 was designed maybe. I am a professional person who has that background. So yeah, that is a normal work for me. But my staffs, my colleagues who are all working here, are from the fishing community. And those kids, they learned, and the production was not alone with the just voiceover or just a pre-produced music. It was also with the sound designing. If they are talking about boiling point, the milk cooker will be coming. And if the pinhole camera is there, or if the main character, Sudha was played by her Sultana. So if Sudha is going to a railway station, or Sudha is in a beach, the whole sound design will be like that. So when you hear the power of radio is we can play it anywhere. It can be in the ambience. So when we start playing these kind of science drama in a repeat mode, in a day, it will play 3 or 4 times or 5 or 6 times. We played it actually in 24 hours. We played 8 times in a day. So that drama got into the listener's mind, and they also started to participate. We had an interactive segment. We'll play that, and we had on-air competitions. We distributed the audios to the local government schools over here. And as Kanan sir said, when he said that when we are working for spoken tutorials, we should keep that girl in that mind and work. That's how here in our area, we have a small area called Chinnapalam, where full of fishing communities, people, fisher folks are there. So we had them in our mind and we produced it. So it was very helpful. Actually, it was a very wonderful session to produce, and then we later we were able to like give to the society back. They also started to participate. They used to grow the germination with sprouts and all. They'll bring to the office. Pinhole camera, kids will come and play. Like when we had that, exactly when we wanted to translate without knowing the concept, we'll not be able to translate properly. So this girl will actually do that pinhole camera thing and everything. So it'll be nice if she says that her experience along with me.
Please, definitely,
வணக்கம்.
Sultana, please.
Okay. வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் சுல்தானா. இந்த அன்றாட வாழ்வியல் அறிவியல்ல வந்துட்டு சுதா கேரக்டர் பண்ணினேன். அதுல நிறைய இதை லேர்ன் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. ஏன்னா அதுல நான் பண்ணும்போது இந்த பின்ஹோல் கேமரா வந்துட்டு எக்ஸ்பெரிமெண்டலா நம்ம பண்ணும்போது அதுல அந்த ஹோல்ட் பண்ணிட்டு கேண்டில் வச்சுட்டு பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அது சரியா வரல. சரியா வராத பட்சத்துல அதுல நான் லேர்ன் பண்ணேன். ஓகே, இப்படிதான் பண்ணா அப்படி வரும் போல அப்படின்றது எனக்கு தெரிய வந்துச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அந்த ஜெர்மினேஷன் வந்துட்டு முளை கட்டின பயிர் எல்லாம் பண்றதுல வந்துட்டு அதை போட்டு வளர வச்சு அது நிறைய பேர் காம்படிஷன்ஸ் ஆன்லைன்ல வந்துட்டு எல்லாரும் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணி ஈவினிங் 5 to 7 குட்டி சுட்டி எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஒரு நிகழ்ச்சி, கடலோடு விளையாடு, அந்த குழந்தைகள் எல்லாம் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ற நிகழ்ச்சி. அதுல எல்லா பசங்களும் வந்து அவங்க அம்மா அப்பா எல்லாம் கலந்துக்கிட்டு போட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்பிட்டு அவங்க ரொம்ப ஈகரா அதுல பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணி கிஃப்ட் எல்லாம் வாங்கினாங்க. சோ அப்படி பண்ணும்போது எல்லாருக்குள்ளயும் ஒரு ஒரு மைண்ட் இருக்கும்ல, நம்ம பண்ணணும்னு ஒரு எண்ணம், அது இருந்ததை வந்துட்டு எல்லாரும் பார்க்க முடிஞ்சது.
This radio drama actually made us to feel regret that we didn't study science as our main subject. Yes, so this was our experience. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Wonderful, Gayatri ji. One more comment, question. You have seen the power of radio. Just curious, have you seen the similar programs or interest in other parts of the country using this as a powerful medium?
Yes, sir. Actually, there like radio, like each of us, like since there are like 400, more than 400 community radios, all India radio, and apart from us, like there are commercial radio stations. Like as far as I see, like I would not take that whole. Like no one can take the whole pride of that radio with one person. Radio is radio because that's a medium like where you can take it and travel anywhere. Like listen to it anywhere, low cost medium, and whatever you learn, it will directly go into your ears. We can paint pictures in our mind. Like it'll give you a vast space for your creativity as a listener when you start listening to radio. So that's how, and especially news or the other stuffs, we can rely on that thing. There is a factual information on radio. So that's the power of radio, I think. And as far as our country is concerned, like there are a lot of radio stations who are doing wonderful job across the country. So maybe like we are here. So and since we are associated with Spoken Tutorials IIT Bombay, like now the work is shown to you. Otherwise, there are works which we have done also, which has not gone across the or radius. So that doesn't mean that like the work which has not come out cannot be spoken. There are a lot of radios who are doing wonderful jobs.
Thank you. And I know in the same area of Haryana, Rajasthan, in fact, I interacted with another group which is using the power of radio to help with the palliative care in terms of helping families cope up with the terminal disease members in their family.
Mm-hmm.
So many ways this powerful medium can be of immense use to the community. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you so much.